Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome to the TipRanks YouTube channel. It's August 20th, 2021, and this is After the Bell. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. Welcome to the TipRanks YouTube channel. If you aren't subscribed already, please go ahead and do that. And if you find any value or learn anything new in this video at all, hit that like button for me down there. I would love to have you do that. Today, we're going to cover the major indices, and then we're going to cover some earnings reports from Foot Locker, Buckle, and Deere. And then if you want to hear some news that Julie and I talked about, please jump over and check out the live stream that we did earlier today. The audio is a little bit off for Julie for about the first 5 minutes, but you skip to about maybe the 5.5 minute mark or something like that, and you can hear Julie a little bit better. But we talk about a lot of news on that today. It was super fun. So let's jump over to TipRanks.com, talk about the major indices. Guys, it was a rough week out there for the major indices, but today had a little bit of a redeeming factor. Up 0.81% for the S&P, up 0.65% for the Dow, and the NASDAQ back up over 15,000 points, up 1 percentage point on the day. So the major indices did recover slightly today. It was not a fantastic day or a fantastic week for the major indices, but they recovered slightly. All right, Bitcoin. Massive day for Bitcoin, back up over 48,000 per coin again for Friday. So 4% up. This is pretty much a rehash of last week, as far as I can see. Now, what's going to happen though? Is it going to go back towards 50? I asked you guys this last week. A lot of you said it's going towards 50, and it didn't. It went down towards 46 and then eventually to 44 before going back up. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's going to be a busy week for crypto and Bitcoin in general, or do you think it's going to fall back towards 44 again? Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, let's jump over to stocks on the move real quick. We have the top losers in the market. We have Verisight, ticker symbol VCYT, down 6% after the bell. Down 7% is RasMed, ticker symbol RMD. We have Broadridge Financial Solutions, ticker symbol BR, down almost 10% after the bell. And then First Republic Bank, FRC, down almost 11% after the bell. Followed by Cintas, biggest loser after the bell, down 12.4%. Top gainers on the day, though, different story. We have Ranpak Holdings, ticker symbol PACK, up 3.2%. Also up 3.2% is Stitch Fix, ticker symbol SFIX, up 3.25%, like I said. Total Energies, ticker symbol TTE, up 4% after the bell. And then look at that, American National Group, ANAT is the ticker symbol there, up 15% after the bell. Followed by Icon, ticker symbol ICLR, up 16.49% after the bell. So some big movers after the bell there. Let's jump over, talk about earnings for Foot Locker. Earnings for Foot Locker were fantastic, and they had a good day. Their beat was 117.44% for EPS. They expected $1.02 for EPS, but reported $2.21. A lot of people buying shoes and clothes from Foot Locker, obviously. Revenue expected was $2.09 billion. They delivered $2.228 billion. So that was a beat as well of almost 9%. So fantastic earnings there for Foot Locker. And because of that, guys, they were up 7% in normal trading today, up 7.2%, and then additional 0.2% after the bell. But what do the analysts have to say about Foot Locker? Let's check it out. Ticker symbol FL comes with a moderate buy based on 14 analyst ratings, 9 buys with 5 holds, with an average upside of 25%. But quite the range there for price targets, $63 on the low and $90 on the high. So there are some people that are saying, look, this has a 55% upside, and that was just done yesterday. So let me know, do you agree with Mitch here, this 5-star analyst who has a pretty darn good success rate and a pretty good average return, that Foot Locker is going to go up over the next 12 months by 55%? Or do you think it's going to be closer to 25%? Or maybe you think it's going to fall? Let me know what you think down in the comments about Foot Locker. All right, let's move over to a different apparel brand, is Buckle. They had good numbers as well. Their earnings per share, it was a beat of 57%. They expected 66 cents per share and delivered just over $1. So that was a 58% surprise almost there. The revenue, $221.45 million expected. they delivered 295. So a 33% beat on revenue. Definitely a lot better than Foot Locker for the beat. But how'd they do today? They were actually down 3% during normal trading, but recovered a little bit after the bell, up 0.2%. So they did fall a little bit after the bell. What do the analysts have to say about Buckle? 1 hold rating, no price target. That's it. That's it. The analysts aren't too excited about Buckle. What do you guys think about Buckle? Do any of you guys hold this in your portfolio? I know they're nice jeans, but I know they're expensive. I don't wear any buckles. All right, let's jump over. Talk about John Deere Co. Ticker symbol DE. Had a beat on EPS and revenue as well. Expected EPS was $4.58. They reported $5.32. And then they had $10.33 billion in revenue expected, but they reported $10.41 billion. So both a beat here in revenue and in EPS. But how did they do today? They were down 2% during normal trading and then recovered a little bit after the hours, up 0.3. But let's go over, check out the ticker symbol DE, moderate buy based on 10 ratings with an average upside of just over 21%. But again, quite the range. On the low end, price target of $346, and on the high end, price target of $450. So there are analysts here that think that there is a 30% upside, but it's pretty consistent. It's in like the 20s. For most of the 5-star analysts, they think that Deere Co. is going to have a good year. So let me know how you feel about these stocks that we talked about and how the earnings went. Guys, have a fantastic weekend. Remember, I post here at least twice a day, so if you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and do that and hit that bell notification so you can get notified that each and every time that Julie and I post here, and of course Sam and Ann and some of the others that post here as well. Guys, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.